Are you struggling to find simple solutions to easily improve your thyroid health? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal 7 quick and easy drinks that anyone can make at home to easily transform their thyroid health from failing to flourishing. Make sure you stick around for number 7, as this drink is packed with the highest amount of nutrients that your body needs when it comes to fixing all thyroid-related issues. For your convenience, we've compiled Amazon links in the video's description with the top recommended products that'll supercharge your thyroid's health, so be sure to check those out at the end of the video. Now, for the first drink, and the most unique on our list: seaweed broth. Seaweed broth is extremely effective when it comes to improving thyroid health due to its high iodine content and other beneficial nutrients. Iodine is an essential mineral required for the production of thyroid hormones, thyroxine, T4, and triiodothyronine, T3. Since the body cannot produce iodine on its own, it must be obtained through diet. The best part? Seaweed broth is extremely simple to make. Simply simmer dried seaweed in water for about 10 to 15 minutes to fully extract its nutrients, then enjoy. Next up, number 2, and the easiest drink on our list to make: lemon water. Lemons, although not high in iodine themselves, can enhance the absorption of iodine from other sources in the diet, which is crucial for thyroid hormone synthesis. Additionally, lemons are rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. This is important because inflammation can contribute to thyroid dysfunction, thus making lemon water a great combatant. For the benefits of lemon water, we recommend allowing the lemon slices to sit in water for about 5 to 10 minutes, as this will give enough time for the flavors and nutrients to infuse into the water. Next up is number 3, and this one offers a rich mineral that holds an electric charge: coconut water. Coconut water is extremely beneficial for thyroid health due to its rich electrolyte content, which supports hydration and cellular function, which are essential for optimal thyroid performance. Additionally, it offers a range of nutrients and antioxidants that contribute to overall well-being. Its low-calorie and low-sugar nature makes it a preferred beverage for weight management, which is another key aspect of thyroid health. We understand that buying fresh coconuts for daily use isn't ideal, so we recommend opting for bottled organic coconut water, which is easily accessible online. As mentioned before, there will be Amazon links in the video description for your convenience. Next up is number 4. This dynamic duo is a drink that offers superior benefits for your thyroid: ginger turmeric tea. Ginger turmeric tea benefits thyroid health due to its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the thyroid gland. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, while ginger also possesses anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger turmeric tea helps support thyroid function and overall thyroid health. Now, you could go buy, peel, slice, and grate your own ginger and turmeric, but since this video is about quick and easy, then we're just going to recommend an easy and inexpensive alternative, which is ginger and turmeric tea packs that you can find online. As mentioned, convenient Amazon links will be provided in the video's description. We're quickly approaching the number 7 drink that is packed with the most essential mineral when it comes to improving thyroid health. Number 5 is next, and it's an antioxidant powerhouse: berry smoothies. Berry smoothies benefit thyroid health due to their high antioxidant content. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C and flavonoids, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Berry smoothies support thyroid function and overall thyroid health. This one is super easy and super tasty. All you need are some of the previously listed berries and a blender. We recommend buying frozen berries, which are typically picked at their peak ripeness, and then quickly frozen, which helps lock in their nutritional content. Next up, number 6, which is another easy drink to make and enjoy at home: green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants, such as catechins, which have anti-inflammatory properties that reduce inflammation in the thyroid gland. The calming effect of L-theanine in green tea can help reduce stress levels, which can indirectly benefit thyroid health. Now for number 7, this magical elixir is packed with all the vital nutrients your thyroid needs to heal and thrive: selenium-rich smoothies. A selenium-packed smoothie stands out as superior for thyroid health due to the critical role selenium plays in thyroid function. Selenium is an essential mineral that is integral to the production and metabolism of thyroid hormones. By ensuring an adequate intake of selenium, you provide your body with the necessary building blocks for optimal thyroid function. Additionally, selenium acts as a potent antioxidant, helping to protect the thyroid gland from oxidative damage and inflammation, which are some of the most common factors in all thyroid disorders. Here are some selenium-rich foods that you can easily incorporate into your daily smoothie. Brazil nuts. These nuts are one of the richest sources of selenium. Just a few Brazil nuts can provide your daily recommended intake of selenium. Spinach. This leafy green is not only packed with selenium, but also offers a variety of other vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are another excellent source of selenium and can add a nutty flavor and texture to your smoothie. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds are not only high in selenium but also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, making them a nutritious addition to any smoothie. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are rich in selenium and add a delicious crunch to your smoothie. By incorporating these selenium-rich foods into your smoothie, you can create a delicious and nutritious drink that provides the essential nutrients your thyroid needs to function optimally. And there you have it. 7 quick and easy drinks to fix your thyroid. Remember to check the description of this video for all our recommended Amazon products relating to the thyroid fixing drinks featured in this video. Thanks for watching.